This strawberry panna cotta is a delicious, creamy, and delicate dessert. It is perfect for summer. Add strawberries to a food processor or blender and process until smooth. Strain the puree through a fine mesh sieve and discard the pulp. Add milk to a saucepan and sprinkle gelatin powder evenly over the surface and let this sit for 10 minutes. Add the strawberry puree, salt, and sugar, and cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 4 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla. And you're going to let this cool for about 10 minutes. Add heavy cream and stir until well combined. Strain the mixture once again through a sieve into a measuring cup. Divide the mixture evenly among 6 4-ounce ramekins, and you're going to refrigerate these for at least 4 hours. Once the panna cotta is set, run a knife around the outer edge to loosen it from the mold. Unmold the panna cotta, serve immediately, and enjoy. You can get this full printable recipe on bakedbyinintrovert.com.